this is the old plates that came out of that 514C. If you look at this one, I'm gonna show you the new one in a minute. You can see all the discoloration. It's all dark. The grooves really ain't there anymore. It's black. It just looks burnt up. That's your brass plate, and on your steel plate, you see the little grooves in them. And if you run your finger across it, you can feel them. You see how it's getting blue around the edges? That means your clutch pack got a little hot and it's starting to burn up a pack. This is a new plate. This is the old plate next to it. You can see the difference, how this is all more smoother. This has got ridges in it. Flip it over, same thing. Back to your brass plates. Look at the discoloration, how it's darker. And look how this one's new and shinier. Another way you can see about your new plates, you run your fingers on these ridges right here. And if it's not as rough, it means your plates are going out. That one's all shiny and this one's all dull looking. That's how you can tell bad plates from good plates.